The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross marks a revolution, not a refresh. Toyota has taken one of its most practical SUVs and transformed it into a futuristic design statement. From the illuminated Toyota script to the razor-thin LED light bar that stretches across its fascia, this is the car that signals Toyota's entry into the digital identity era, a new age of design where light replaces logos and emotion meets precision. Forget what you know about the Corolla Cross. This version is bold, sculpted, and alive. It no longer blends into traffic. It stands apart, glowing like a piece of digital art on wheels. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe, tap like, and share this video so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into the future of cars, from Lexus and Tesla to Mazda's next generation of electric SUVs. Now, let's discover how the 2026 Corolla Cross reshapes Toyota's entire identity. The first thing you notice is the front design. It's unlike anything Toyota has ever done. The traditional emblem is gone, replaced by a sleek, illuminated Toyota script that runs seamlessly through a continuous LED light bar. This horizontal beam isn't just lighting, it's a living signature. It greets you when you unlock the car, pulses softly as you walk closer, and fades gently as you leave. It's Toyota's way of saying, "Welcome to the future." The grille below follows a bold geometric pattern, a large honeycomb mesh finished in deep gloss black that gives the SUV a strong, athletic face. The bumper integrates angular vertical vents that channel air efficiently around the front wheels, while a satin metallic skid plate grounds the design with a hint of off-road capability. Every angle, every cut feels intentional, carved by both wind and purpose. The hood features clean, muscular character lines that converge at the light bar, emphasizing Toyota's newfound focus on digital precision.
Moving to the side, the 2026 Corolla Cross carries an athletic silhouette, sleek yet commanding. The floating roof design gives the SUV a coupe-like flow, with a tapering rear line that meets an extended spoiler. The glass house is framed in gloss black, matching the roof and mirrors, creating a clean contrast with the body color. Sculpted door panels and sharp shoulder lines give the impression of motion, even at a standstill. It's a visual evolution that draws inspiration from the Mazda CX-30's fluidity and the Lexus NX's sharpness, combining the best of both worlds. The wheels are large, multi-spoke aerodynamic alloys with a satin two-tone finish, complementing the SUV's futuristic look. Toyota's engineers used computational fluid dynamics to refine every curve. Even the mirror housings and roof edges have been reshaped to minimize drag and wind noise. The result is an SUV that doesn't just look smooth, it moves through the air with remarkable efficiency. The rear is where Toyota truly flexes its new identity. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, connecting ultra-slim taillights with a sharp, precise glow. At the center, the Toyota name shines in bold red illumination, replacing the old badge entirely. It's elegant, symmetrical, and futuristic. The rear bumper adopts a clean, layered look with gloss black and metallic accents, integrating aerodynamic fins and a diffuser-inspired lower section. Everything feels balanced and high-tech, from the tight panel gaps to the floating rear spoiler with its integrated LED brake light. The entire back end looks like it belongs on a concept car, only this one's real and ready for the road. Under the hood, Toyota continues to focus on electrified powertrains. The 2026 Corolla Cross is expected to feature the company's fifth-generation hybrid system, pairing a 2.0-liter dynamic force engine with an advanced electric motor setup, producing around 200 horsepower combined. The hybrid offers smooth acceleration and improved efficiency, capable of up to 40 miles per gallon combined. There's also a plug-in hybrid variant in development, potentially sharing tech with the RAV4 Prime and offering about 50 kilometers of electric-only range. Toyota's dedication to carbon neutrality is clear. This crossover bridges the gap between traditional hybrid practicality and the next phase of electric mobility.
Inside, the transformation is just as radical. The cabin feels like stepping into a Lexus-level environment, minimalist, elegant, and futuristic. The dashboard flows in a single horizontal line, dominated by a panoramic digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into one unified surface. The screens are crisp, vivid, and highly responsive, running Toyota's latest Smart UX 6.0 interface. Voice command is now powered by AI, responding naturally to phrases like, "Hey Toyota, navigate to home," or "Adjust ambient lighting." The steering wheel features touch-sensitive controls, while a head-up display projects navigation and speed directly onto the windshield. Ambient lighting runs gracefully along the dashboard, doors, and center console, echoing the same continuous light theme found outside. It's not just lighting, it's identity. The seats are upholstered in premium soft-touch leather with contrast stitching and perforation patterns for breathability. Every surface feels elevated, from the stitched dash panels to the piano black inserts and satin metallic trims. Storage has been thoughtfully redesigned, with deep center compartments, hidden charging pads, and multiple USB-C ports. The panoramic glass roof opens up the interior with natural light, while acoustic insulation keeps the cabin serene and refined. The hybrid's near-silent operation enhances this sense of calm. Driving this Corolla Cross feels like being inside a soundproof cocoon that glides across the road. Against its rivals, the 2026 Corolla Cross makes an incredibly strong case. Compared to the Mazda CX-30, it's more futuristic and tech-oriented. Against the Honda HR-V, it wins in digital sophistication and overall design presence. Even the Lexus UX, Toyota's luxury cousin, feels closer in spirit than in segment. The Corolla Cross delivers 90% of the UX's atmosphere at nearly half the cost. And while the Tesla Model Y may dominate EV headlines, the Corolla Cross's hybrid versatility ensures real-world usability with Toyota's legendary reliability.
Pricing for the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is expected to start around $28,000 for the base hybrid variant, climbing up to $42,000 for the fully loaded plug-in hybrid with AWD. Toyota plans to launch it globally in early 2026, following an official reveal in late 2025. Production will take place in Japan, North America, and Southeast Asia, marking it as one of Toyota's most globalized products yet. Ultimately, this new Corolla Cross isn't just about evolution, it's about transformation. Toyota has turned one of its most practical nameplates into a style icon for the digital age. It's a bridge between reliability and emotion, between mechanical strength and illuminated artistry. From the glowing Toyota script to the floating digital dashboard, everything about this car screams next generation. So, what do you think? Has Toyota nailed its new identity with this 2026 redesign? Would you take this over a Mazda CX-30 or a Tesla Model Y? Let me know your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, because this is just the beginning. Up next, we're reviewing the all-new Lexus RX digital spindle and Honda HR-V Neo concept. Two more vehicles redefining the future of design. Thanks for watching. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross doesn't just represent the future, it illuminates it.